Hey guys, let me show you what we can do for consumer software and services businesses that spend over 100K per month on digital ads. Step 1, we can build full funnel analytics to show you where your highest LTV customers are coming from and what's the true ROAS of your channels, campaigns, and creatives. Let's take an example. If you have just 3 campaigns and you spend 10K on each of those, and you get number of leads or signups or trials from your web analytics data, you can see a picture like this, where most leads are coming from one campaign with the lowest costs, and less leads are coming from third campaign with the highest cost. With this data alone, you would probably decide to scale campaign 1, because this is where you're getting most of your leads at the lowest costs. But let's add qualified leads or active trial users to see where the audience is better. So on campaign 1, in this example, qualified leads actually costs more, 308, 250 here, 375 here. With this data, you would probably choose to scale campaign 2, get more qualified leads at lower average cost. Once we add actual paying customers and first revenue, and then lifetime revenue or lifetime revenue forecast, we can see that in this example, campaign 1 doesn't even pay back its value over time, and because ROAS is less than 1. Campaign 2 is much better at 2.7, and campaign 3 actually wins at 4.2 over their customer lifetime. So we probably want to scale campaign 3 and get much higher lifetime revenue with the same ad spend. So if we check, we can actually get like extra 30% in revenue from the same ad spend, and that's a pretty meaningful difference. And the only way to understand what to scale and what to downscale is to have actual full funnel visibility with accurate attribution, with lifetime revenue and lifetime revenue forecasts. And this is exactly what we do at the foundation of our product. So we get data from all of the possible sources, centralize it, do customer profiles, calculate attribution models, forecast lifetime revenue, and build dashboards and do conversion streaming. This is an example of how our main report looks like. We can see every marketing channel here, including Google, Meta, Bing, SEO, TikTok, and so on, and metrics from ad spend to clicks to traffic on the website, key conversion events from the funnel, new paying customers and zero-day revenue, lifetime revenue, and lifetime revenue predictions. For example, Meta, we spend 40K here and get 150K in LTV prediction. So it's a pretty good channel. And we can actually drill down to specific campaigns, ad sets, and even ad items and check how they perform over time. This product alone allows to get extra 10, 20, 30% of efficiency, like higher revenue or lower ad spend, because with better data, marketers can make better decisions and scale only ads that actually brings high-value customers. We noticed that some of our customers actually spend 4 hours per day looking at this data and deciding what to do about each campaign, ad sets, and creative. With ad spend over 100K per month, teams typically have hundreds, if not thousands, of creatives running in parallel with new hypothesis testing every week, scaling those creatives, checking their performance, and then downscaling them when they burn out. But this 4 hour per day is just too much for humans to pay attention and make accurate decisions in time. So we decided to build AI agents on top of the data platform we already have. And this is how it works.